So guys, there's a new tutorial on Venom blockchain that we need to do. So you need to click on browser and search this thing right here, venom.network/task. So it will come to this point, then you see graphics. So when you click on complete task, we are doing this so we can mint this NFT. So they said the first thing here is to follow graphics _IO on, follow them on Twitter. So you need to click on this place right here. When you click there, you follow them on Twitter and then use this arrow to come back. When you do that, you click on check. I've already done that, so I don't need to do that again. So you see task completed. So we need to, they say open a long/short position. Okay, open a long short position on app.graphics.io. So we need to click here again for us to access the platform. So that's what we are doing right now. So let's try doing this now. The next thing you need to do is to click on connect here. See here, you need to connect your wallet. So click on connect. You choose Venom account, allow. So our wallet is connected. We have 139 Venom tokens right there, and we are trading. So when you come down, this is BTC USDT. Let's see if we can change other pairs. Let's try BNB USDT. I'm doing this because you need to have some USDT in your account. So if you look here now, what you have here, see right here, is 1.3 USDT alone. So if you click on maximum, this is what we have. So let's use a leverage of, let's use 5x leverage, and then you say long BNB. You click on long BNB, confirm, you click on send, put in your fingerprint, and that's it. It's a position request sent. So I believe that what they are doing right here, they are giving us an opportunity to perform centralized exchanges, as in centralized exchange functions inside this Venom platform. You can actually trade there. You can open long and short position inside this place. This is actually very good because it will help to equip us. Okay, so I'm trying to see if what we have done have been activated. Guys, one thing, when your wallet is connected, make sure your wallet is, first of all, your wallet should be connected. When you see here, you see the balance of my Venom here. Now when you have entered the position, you see it will display right here. Okay, you see it right here. This is how you will know. And when you have click on long BNB, you just wait for some seconds for this. You scroll down and check, you see that this thing is activated. Once it is activated, you will need to now click on this icon, this arrow, to go back and then click on check. But some of you might say that you don't have USDT. As you can see now, since I entered that trade, my balance is now 0 USDT. You need to have USDT. So some of you may not have USDT. So how do you get USDT? You still need to come to this place and then check. There's, okay, this is, yes, this is testnet.web3.world/swap. So let's see if we can swap. This is where you come to swap some of your Venom tokens into USDT. Okay, so make sure your wallet is connected here too. Click on connect wallet. That is where it will come. So as you can see, this is Venom. So you need to click on this icon down, select token, to select USDT. Okay, now you put in some Venom tokens that you want to swap. You can put like we have 137. I can put like 50 Venom. 50 Venom will give us 10 USDT. So when you do it, the next thing you need to do is click on swap. I'm not swapping right now. So once you click on swap, you will get USDT, and once it is swapped, you can now come back to this place again and then do the tax. Okay, so once you are done with the tax, you use this icon, go back and then click on check for you to know if that tax has been completed. Okay, this is why you come, you click on check right here to know if the tax is completed. And once it is completed, the next thing you need to do is to click on mint NFT, and then you mint your NFT. So that is the end of it. Okay, so that is it. the NFT has been minted, guys. So this is our NFT right now. So that is the end. The goal is to mint all the NFTs. Okay, the goal is to mint all the NFTs. And when we click on tax, you see that most of the NFTs, we keep on minting the NFTs. So guys, this is very, very important that let us follow this trend. Let us make sure that we have minted all these NFTs. You see, it's remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once it is done, I believe they will start talking about mainnet, and it is people that finish the minting of all these NFTs that are qualified to receive the airdrop. Okay, according to their white paper. So that will be it now for guys. If you have any question, you can come to the group and ask, or you ask on the comment box. Okay, so thank you guys and have a wonderful day.